welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to print the largest number among the three numbers. Suppose A equals to 20, B equals to 30 and C equals to 40. We all know C is the largest number, but I will show you by a Python code. So let's start. So three numbers, so I have to take input. I have to take three numbers as input. You all know how to input. Enter first number. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, let me copy this. Let me change it as B and let me change this as C, and let me give you a second number, and let me give you as third number. Okay, done. Now I have to use a if A greater than B. Okay, and first I am checking for A. Okay, and A greater than C. I'm just checking for A. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then what it will print? Largest. I'm taking as largest. Largest equals to A. Okay, done. Just I am checking for A. If A is greater than B and A greater than C, then largest equals to A. Now I will use elif. In Python, we know that we have to use elif, not else if. Now I will check for B. B greater than A and B greater than C. If yes, then print largest equals to B. Okay, I've checked for B. Okay, if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then largest will be B. Now else largest equals to C. Okay, now just print largest number is, now I will use here a comma, largest. Okay, now let's see what's the output. Let me give you a 10, let me give you a 20, and let me give you a 30. See, largest number is 30. Let's check again. Now let's give A the largest number. Okay, first number be the largest number. Let's first number be 100, second number be 10, and third number be 60. See, the largest number is 100. Okay, it's just easy. You have to first check for A. If A is true, then print will be A. If for checking B is true, then largest number will be B or else C. Okay, that's an easy program. By this we end this video. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.